Every actor needs a standard American accent in their toolkit. Otherwise, you may as well kiss your acting career goodbye. I have worked on Power Rangers, Ash vs. Evil Dead, Hercules, Xena, and all of these shows are shot in New Zealand where I live. And we have a lot of work in New Zealand that requires an American accent. And if you're in London and you want to make it in Hollywood, if you do not have that American accent, then you may as well kiss your acting career goodbye, because you have to be able to do this accent. There is no part of being an actor that is not going to require it at some point in your career. So, if you want to learn an American accent, there are a couple of tips that I can give you right now. An American accent requires an They have an R that is a tell. If you can't pronounce a word with the letter R in it, so as an example, the word car, receive, radio, rocket, red. If you can't get that R sound, the casting director is going to know that you're not American. L words: lemon, loquacious, literally, lost, lever, lamb. You need to have those sounds happening in your accent. If you watch movies, they come from America, or they have American accents in there everywhere. And every single show that is made all over the world ends up being remade in America with American people and American voices. So like you look at actors like Hugh Laurie, he's an English actor. He had to do an American accent for House. You look at Kate Winslet. She had to do a Southern accent for when she was in Titanic. It wasn't quite that Southern, but you know, she had to do it. And I've seen her do a lot of different American accents in her career. Cate Blanchett, another actor. She's Australian, and she's had to do it. Nicole Kidman. Russell Crowe. Who's that fabulous actor? Oh my God, he's so hot. He's got the body of a god. He's Australian. Another actor, Cliff Curtis. He's a New Zealand actor, and he has, oh my God, that guy has so many different accents. Like, he's amazing, like just totally amazing. If you would like to work with me, Sarah Valentine, you can go to my website, actorsaccentcoach.com. I'm also available on Instagram and on Twitter and YouTube. I like subscribers, so go subscribe to my channel. I also have a free ebook available on my website, which is actorsaccentcoach.com. You can also make bookings there. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed my video. If you have, it would be great if you could give me a little like or comment, mention other accents that you would like to learn. Thank you for watching. See ya.